When winter brings heavy snow, clearing your roof is essential to prevent damage and keep your home safe. Finding the best snow roof rake can make the job easier, saving you time and effort. In this video, we'll explore top choices that offer the right balance of reach, durability, and ease of use. Let's dive into the best options available for clearing snow off your roof this winter. Avalanche Snow Roof Rake. The Avalanche Snow Roof Rake is easily one of the best tools for homeowners looking to manage snow buildup on their roofs. Its 24-inch wide plastic rake head, complete with built-in wheels, ensures that your roof stays protected while you clear away snow, preventing any damage. What stands out is its lightweight aluminum handle, which extends up to 20 feet, allowing you to work safely from the ground. This is a huge benefit, especially for those who want to avoid climbing ladders in winter conditions. The rake is easy to assemble, requiring no tool, and it works well on a variety of roof types, including shingles, tile, metal, and even solar panel roofs. It's an effective solution for preventing ice dams by keeping snow from accumulating at the edges of your roof. At just 5.8 pounds, it's light enough for anyone to handle, yet sturdy enough to get the job done. With its quick assembly, effective snow removal, and roof protection, the Avalanche Snow Roof Rake Deluxe is a must-have for anyone looking to maintain their home during the snowy season. It's a reliable, durable product that delivers on its promise. Definitely worth the investment. HIDALIFE Snow Roof Rake. The HIDALIFE Snow Roof Rake is a game-changer for homeowners looking for an efficient and safe way to remove snow from their roofs. The 20-foot extendable pole is perfect for reaching high areas, eliminating the need for ladders, and ensuring you stay safe while working. With the ability to adjust the length, this rake adapts to different roof heights with ease. One standout feature is the wide head cutter and two easy rolling wheels, which make moving the rake across the roof effortless, even on uneven surfaces. This helps avoid potential damage to your roof while clearing snow. The included nylon slide, which extends up to 9.84 feet, helps the snow slide off your roof with minimal effort, making snow removal much smoother. Assembly is quick and simple with no extra tools needed, and the adjustable handle makes storage convenient. Whether you're removing snow, wet leaves, or other debris, this rake is versatile enough for a variety of roof types, including metal, wooden eaves, and flat roofs. Overall, the HIDALIFE Snow Roof Rake provides excellent value with its durable design, ease of use, and ability to keep your roof safe and clear during the winter months. It's a must-have tool for anyone in snowy climates. SNOWPEELER Roof Rake. The SNOWPEELER Premium Roof Rake is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to clear snow from their roofs safely and effectively. This telescopic snow rake features a 30-foot adjustable handle, eliminating the need for a ladder while giving you a wide reach to clear snow from even hard-to-reach areas. The tool's design ensures that you can protect both your roof and yourself, keeping you firmly on the ground. Equipped with a commercial-grade aluminum blade, the SNOWPEELER easily cuts through fresh and compacted snow, preventing the formation of ice dams that could damage your roof. Its protective glide pads prevent any harm to the roof's surface, ensuring your roof remains intact throughout the process. The rake also includes a tear-resistant 10-foot slide to efficiently direct snow off the roof and away from your property, making the entire snow removal process smooth and easy. For those dealing with heavy snowfalls or low-pitch roofs, the SNOWPEELER offers the versatility and durability you need. It's built to last, and its ergonomic grip ensures comfort while using the rake for extended periods. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly snow removal tool, the SNOWPEELER Premium Roof Rake is a solid investment for the winter season. Extreme Max Snow Rake. The Extreme Max Snow Rake is an excellent tool for those looking to efficiently clear snow from their roof without causing damage. Equipped with a 21-foot extended reach and a 7-inch by 24-inch blade, it easily tackles snow on both low-pitched and two-story roofs. The standout feature here is the shingle-saving roller design, which ensures that the blade doesn't scrape or damage your shingles while removing snow. Crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum, the rake is easy to maneuver and resistant to corrosion, making it a reliable choice for long winters. The angled blade allows for maximum snow removal efficiency in tight spaces, ensuring you get the job done faster. The rake's snap-button handle assembly adds convenience, allowing quick disassembly for compact storage when not in use. If you're looking for a roof snow rake that offers great value, ease of use, and protection for your roof, the Extreme Max Roof Snow Rake is a top contender. Its practical design and sturdy build make it a solid investment for snow removal, giving you peace of mind during the winter months. Avalanche Big Rig Rake. The Avalanche Big Rig Rake is an exceptional tool designed for efficient snow removal from large vehicles like semi-trailers, buses, RVs, and vans. With its 24-inch wide plastic head and built-in wheels, this rake effortlessly clears snow while preventing damage to your vehicle's roof. The 15.5-foot extended reach, provided by 4 lightweight fiberglass handle sections, ensures you can access high or hard-to-reach areas without strain. What sets this rake apart is its snap-together assembly, which makes setup quick and tool-free. The lightweight design ensures ease of use, allowing you to remove heavy snow without difficulty. The durable construction of this tool guarantees it can handle tough winter conditions, making it a reliable choice for truckers and anyone with large vehicles. In summary, the Avalanche Big Rig Rake delivers premium snow clearing performance at a competitive price, making it a must-have for winter snow removal.